How is everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good myself. I'm very happy to be at the end of another project. I built a demo model for the auger that we manufacture. Let's take a look at it. So this is the demo model. We've teamed up with a gentleman that works for the company that we get the augers from, and he requested a demo model so that he could take it to shows and we could potentially sell a lot more augers. And that would be good for everybody involved. So first up, we have the table. It's just a simple camping table. And then here on the left side, we have our QR code that's going to go right to our website. And then we have the commercial that I made for the Javelin auger. That just plays on loop. So people can walk up, watch this commercial and understand more about the auger. It's a 30-second commercial, so it doesn't require that long of a attention span. And then here we have some flyers, so they can take one, put that in their pocket and go on their way. And then of course we have a foam board with what's on the flyer, so you can stand here, read it. Talks about the features, what the discharge height is, the options we have available. And then this here is the piste de resistance. So what makes our Javelin auger special is that we offer plastic screws. Plastic screws are more gentle on the crop that you're moving up and through the tube. It means there's less breakage, costs the farmer less money. And then of course, another feature we have that really makes our auger stand out is the variable speed drive. So typically, augers just run at one speed. A lot of times they're too fast. They end up dicing or cutting up the product because the edge of the auger is usually sharp, and that dices up the seed and damages it. So that combined with the plastic screw option and the VFD means that you're going to have a lot less breakage that you would normally have with a regular auger. And this is an interactive demo model. Wanted to make sure there was enough cool things about this demo to where it would really stick in people's minds, and I think we achieved that. You can turn the knob, change the speed of the auger screw. You can see I can slow it down to a crawl, and then I can speed it up. People will be able to walk up, watch the commercial, maybe grab a flyer, and actually play with the demo model by turning the knob. It's pretty cool. I'm very proud of the cutout. You know, you can actually see the auger screw go up and through the tube. We have all of the cool features labeled here. 16-foot length, custom lengths available, discharge height. Of course, that's our decal that we put on every one of them. And then we have gentle handling auger labeled. Then on our frame, you know, we have adjustable height, heavy duty frame. Oh, and on the wheels we have flat free tires, because that is a super nice feature to have. Can't tell you how many times I've had to fix a tire. The hard rubber tires mean you'll never have to do that. And believe it or not, this clear safety glass was the perfect size picture from Walmart. And I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. It makes it impossible for a kid to stick their fingers inside of this unit while it's running at the expo. So, came out really nice. I just love that whoever comes up to take a look at the auger can play with the knob and change the speed of the auger, and it should theoretically stick in their mind. I think it will. So this is pretty cool. Just wanted to document this. I think it came out really well. And hopefully, Lord willing, we're going to sell more Javelins. Thanks for watching, guys.